In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and use mathematical typesetting in Draw.io. If you work with diagrams that include formulas, you'll want your equations to look clean and readable. Draw.io has a built-in mathematical typesetting feature that makes this easy, and I'll show you exactly how to turn it on and use it right away. First, open your web browser and go to the Draw.io website. Once the editor loads and you're on a blank canvas or an existing diagram, we're ready to enable the setting that formats math properly. Look at the top menu bar and find the Extras menu. Click Extras, and in that list, make sure the option called Mathematical Typesetting is checked. If you see a check mark already, you're all set. If it isn't checked, click it once to turn it on. Right next to this option, there's a small question mark icon. Click that to open Draw.io's quick help for this feature. It explains the single key detail you need to remember. To render an equation, you simply wrap your math in backticks. That's the backtick character, not an apostrophe. On many keyboards, it's the small symbol that shares a key with the tilde, usually near the number row. Let's put that into practice. On your canvas, add a text label. You can do this by double-clicking anywhere on the canvas or by inserting a text shape. In the text field, type a backtick, then your math expression, and then another backtick to close it. For example, you could type x2 plus y02 z2c, and when you finish, it will render with proper superscripts. You can also use LaTeX style commands like frac/ia, bpi for fractions, or sqr/x for square roots. The key is to make sure the entire expression sits between a single backtick at the start and a single backtick at the end, with no extra spaces outside those marks. If the equation doesn't render, double-check that mathematical typesetting is still checked in the Extras menu, confirm you use the backtick and not a regular quote, and make sure you didn't accidentally leave off the final backtick. You can always double-click the text to edit it and fix small typos. As you adjust the font size of the text box, the equation scales cleanly, which is great for fitting formulas into shapes, labels, or callouts in your diagram. That's all there is to it. Go to Draw.io, enable mathematical typesetting under Extras, and wrap your equations in backticks to get beautiful, readable math in your diagrams. You're done.